Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a photo with hot pixels. For this, we're going to jump into our photo editing software, so let's get to it. Alright, this is the photo that I've chose to show you how to fix hot pixels in photos. So first off, what you can do is create a curves layer. Go ahead and add your curves layer, and now you're basically just going to be wanting to affect the highlights in the photo, not the midtones. So what we're going to do, select this point right here. Now that's just going to be kind of an anchor point, so the midtones don't necessarily change. Now what we can do is go up here and select the highlights and go ahead and pull those down a bit. Go ahead and close the properties, and now when I toggle it off and on, you can see how it reduced the brightness of our photo. Now if you're looking to edit just specific areas of the photo, what you can do is select your background layer. Go ahead and duplicate this. Now let's go ahead and turn off that curves layer so we still have some real hot points in the photo. Now what we're going to do is go over here and we're going to select the burn tool. Now what the burn tool is going to do is basically just burn in those hot spots to make them darker pixels. So let's go over here and select a soft brush, and let's go ahead and increase the size a little bit. Now with this, I'll actually increase that size a little bit more. Now with this, once you have that selected, you can just simply go in here and darken up these spots. Take some off our arm there. You can even go ahead and zoom in on the photo. And go ahead and darken up some of these areas as well. And zoom back out. Now as you can see, when I toggle this off and on, significantly darkens those hot spots in the photos. So along with that, you can also use the curve selection and that at the same time. Really, the opportunities are endless. And that's how you fix a photo with hot pixels. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.